Hello guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'll show you how to free up space in Google Drive. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Google Drive. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you don't face any issues. Once it's updated, go back and open the Google Drive app. After opening the app, tap on the three white lines in the top left corner of the screen. From here, tap on Trash. You can delete old files or videos you no longer need. If you don't want to delete anything from here, that's totally fine. We'll move on to the next step. Now again, tap on the three white lines and select Get More Storage. Don't worry, you don't need to buy any storage. Just scroll down and you'll see an option called Clean Up Space. Tap on it, and here you'll see a list of files that are taking up space in your drive. For example, I have around 2 GB of files here. Simply tap on it, review the files, and delete the videos or unnecessary files you don't need anymore. This will help you free up a lot of space easily and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you free up space on Google Drive. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Until next time, see you soon.